Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook page message not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Messenger and update Messenger application if you have an update. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the setting and then you need to go into the app management and then you need to go into the app list and search your Messenger. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache and clear cache and clear storage, and then you need to log in your account on Messenger. Once you log in, you simply need to hold your profile picture on the top left, and here you can see your pages. Then you need to click on your pages, and here you can see that now I switch to my page, and here you can see that I am able to receive message on my page on Messenger. So by following these steps, you can easily fix messages that you are not receiving on Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.